Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to put YouTube video as WhatsApp status. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, simply tap open your WhatsApp, and once you open it, go to the update section. Once you're in the update section, simply tap on my status. Here you can put your status on WhatsApp. Simply tap on it, and now you can find two options, whether text or voice. So to put a YouTube video as a WhatsApp status, you need to simply tap on the text icon. Once you tap on it, you need to now simply tap it open, and then simply copy paste the URL of the YouTube video you want to put a status as. So once you have simply copy pasted that particular URL, then you can simply tap on the green arrow mark. This will allow you to put a YouTube video as your WhatsApp status in quick and easy manner. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.